Today is Thursday, January 20th, 2022. It's 11:38 a.m. and I'm calling Lapeer County, Michigan, Prosecuting Attorney John Miller's office. And I've been trying to get a hold of him since September.
You have reached Lapeer County. For animal control, press 1. If you have been subpoenaed to appear in court, press 2. For paternity division, press 3. For the prosecutor's office, press 4.
One moment, please.
Hope their phone works today.
Prosecutor's office, this is Renee.
Hi, Renee. I'm trying to reach John Miller.
I can check and see if he's available. Who's calling? And what is this regarding?
My case. I'm acting as my own attorney, and I'm trying to get a hold of him.
Oh, okay. Well, let me see if he's off for lunch yet. Hang on.
Okay.
Richard, I'm thinking he's already left for lunch. Can I put you into his voicemail?
I've been trying to get a hold of him since September, and I don't know. He's not returning my calls, and he's not. I served him with paperwork on November 17th, 2021, which demanded a response, and he didn't respond. It was a 21-page legal document that he didn't respond to, and then I called him. I called and left a message on December 14th, and the court was having phone problems, and I couldn't get through to anybody. But I left a message, and no one called back. And then I called on the 16th, and I couldn't get through to your phone was so screwed up that I couldn't even leave a message with anybody. But I haven't, and I've been writing to him, and he hasn't responded. And this is a matter, ma'am. This is a case that's gone on for 865 days, which is a travesty of justice. It's gone beyond probable cause. This is insane. And I'm incarcerated in a fire hazard house made that way by Lapeer County DHHS workers, and he knows all about it. I have no heat. My furnace went. I have no refrigerator, and I have no stove, and I'm 70 years old, and I'm disabled. And I need...
I'm sorry, but I don't know anything about this.
I know, that's why
all I can point is to put you into his voicemail. I can't help you with any of this.
Okay, well, okay? Yeah, if you can put me through to the voicemail, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.
I will do that.
Okay.
Hang on just a moment.
Thank you.
Hi, this is John Miller. Please leave a brief message and I'll return your call as soon as possible. Thank you.
Hi, John. This is to get a hold of you. John, I don't know why you're avoiding me, but I told you that I wanted a jury trial in September because I couldn't get, or not a jury trial, but I would accept a bench trial in September because I couldn't get a jury trial. You told me I couldn't get a jury trial until April 2022. So I told you I wanted a bench trial, and then all of a sudden I haven't been able to get a hold of you ever since. And on November 17th, 2021, I came right to your office and I served you with legal documents ordering you to dismiss this case with prejudice because you're giving me no right to a jury trial, no right to a bench trial, no right to dismissal with prejudice. So I've got no rights whatsoever. I'm living in an uninhabitable house. I have no heat. I have no furnace. I have no refrigerator, and I have no stove. And I have to get out of this house. It's a fire trap. You know all about it. And I have no idea why this is dragging on. But you got to get a hold of me right as soon as possible. I need to know how. You told me in June that you were going to drop this case so I could move, and now I'm trying to move and I can't even get a hold of you. If I want to move out of this country, I have that legal right. I am guilty of nothing, and you know it, and this case is dragged on. You've had it for a year, so you know exactly that I'm guilty of nothing. And I need to get a hold of you as soon as possible. John, please call me back at 810. Tell me the disposition of this case. You got to respond to me. I have a legal right. I'm acting as my own attorney. You can't treat me the way you wouldn't treat a licensed attorney that way. You can't treat a taxpayer that way. Please contact me. And I also want that fake evidence. Those pictures of Ryan Wilson and Steve Best that they doctored up. Somehow they doctored up like as if it looked like a bear clawed them. Those are a fake. I'm not a violent person. I've never hurt anybody in my life. It's a fake. This case is fake. I'm tired of dealing with it. I'm sick of it, and I just want to get out of this county as soon as possible. Please call me back as soon as possible, John. And also, if you're going to give me trouble with this, I need to know how do I make a complaint against your department? Because the problem that I had with Sharkey is I tried to make a complaint against the Almont Police. They told me that I had to file a complaint and with the state police, and the state police need the Lapeer County Prosecutor's approval and also the Almont Police Chief's approval to investigate the Almont Police. So that's why that case that never went anywhere, because there's no way to file a complaint, felony complaints against Almont Police, and I tried to do that in June of 2020, and that got absolutely nowhere. And how can the state of Michigan make it impossible to make criminal felony complaints against police officers that abused me? And so I need to get a hold of you as soon as possible. This thing has got to go. I've got to move out of this house right away, as soon as possible. I've already had somebody from DHHS come to my door. His name was Ryan DeVoe, and he said he was working, and I don't know who sent him out, but he was some supervisor, and I haven't heard from him for 3 weeks. And so I'm stuck. I'm freezing to death. I can't live like this for no crime. So you work for the taxpayers. You don't work for to protect the Lapeer County employees' gross negligence that's responsible for all this. Please call me back, John. I want to respect you, and I want to give you all the chance in the world to get to dispose of this case. Please call back. Thank you.
Thank you. To review this message, press 6.
Too long.
To discard your message and re-record it, press 4. To send your message, press 5. To mark this message private, press 3. For urgent delivery, press 7. To leave a number where you can be reached, press 8. Message priority is urgent. To review this message, press 6. To discard your message and re-record it, press 4. To send your message, press 5. To mark this message private, press 3. For normal delivery, press 7. To leave a number where you can be reached, press 8. Thank you.